Hello YouTube. Today we are building a ITX build for the TV. Let's start with the components. First of all, the motherboard. It's a second generation and third generation supported motherboard with H61 from ASUS. Its part number is P8H61. It supports dual channel memory. Its processor is E3 1245. It's equal to second generation i7. It will do the trick. So it's a basic build. The other parts are CPU cooler with a copper base and IO shield. Let me zoom into this. It supports third generation as well. And 750 Ti 2GB. It's a good graphics card for the basic games and like online gaming, basic online gaming. This model does not require any external power, so a small low power wattage motherboard is enough for this. Our case also has 200 watt and basic SSD, 128 GB for Windows mostly, 16 GB RAM, 2 sticks of 88 GB. 16 GB is more than enough for the basic games and processings, especially Chrome. And the star of our show is this case. I love this case, by the way. It supports only ITX builds. It already has a 200 watt power supply built into it. Let's start assembling this PC. First of all, let me prepare the case. This case already have a 200 watt power supply, so it will be beneficial for us. Let it focus. Okay, 200 watt. Let's unscrew. These I already have screws. Remove them. Let's do the IO shield first. IO shield done. Let us prepare the motherboard. I already installed the CPU cooler and it's ready. Let's install the RAM. We are good to go. Let's align them. Let's do the installation. This case is very good, but it has one flaw, that it doesn't have any SSD mounting mechanism there. So we have to adjust something about the SSD. Let's do the cable first. USB, fan mounting, let's do this. Done. Okay. Front audio, and front panel. All done. SSD, let's go for the 750 Ti. Done. Let's install the power supply. (24 pin). Let's install the 4 pin first. The 24 pin. All tight. The SSD power lever. All done. Let's install the back cover. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you for next time.